Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Just Eat's Courier account in 2025. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to Courier. So let me just go and type the URL here, of course in the URL section. Of course you'll need to go and open a browser for you, then just go and type the following. So it's going to be couriers.just and then a dash, sorry, not equal, eats.com, and hit the enter button. This should take you into their website right away. Make sure, of course, to click on sign up to sign up into an account, and it's going to be very easy. You'll have to fill up the personal details, name, phone, and email, and you should be good to go. So, of course, as we said, we want to activate Just Eat's Courier account, so we will have to go and click on Become a Courier. Once you do so, you'll have to go and click on Apply Now, and once you click on Apply Now, it's now up to you because you'll have here to fill up all your personal information. I'm not going to show you how to do so. You'll basically have to fill up your first name, last name, email, number, and stuff like that. You'll have to enter your town and city, and you should be good to go. So then click on create an account. Of course, they will still ask you after that to upload some required documents. The required documents will be a valid photo ID, a passport or driver license, right to work documents, which will depend on your country, and proof of address, utility bill or bank statement, and also the vehicle documents, which is insurance, registration if you're using a car/scooter. If you're using a bike, they will not ask you to do so. Of course, after that, Just Eat's partner with third-party verification companies, so approvals may take some few days, and you'll get an email once you pass. If you pass, you'll get an email that everything looks good and you can start working. Once everything is good, you can just go and download now the Courier app, install it from Google Play or App Store, depending on what phone do you have, and log in using the same email that you entered right here, the same email that you registered with. And then once you logged in, your account will be verified. So after verification, you'll receive an email saying that your account is approved, and you can open the Courier app, sign in, and you'll see Go Online button, tap it, and start accepting deliveries. In some cities, Just Eat provides some like equipment, so you need to go and collect them. You don't have to, but it's preferably to do it, which will be like a thermal delivery bag, a phone holder, and safety gear. Check your Courier portal for pickup instructions. And yeah, once you're done, you can just go and start delivering and start your work. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.